Hey friends, the Windows 11 taskbar is in the center of the screen, and if you wish to push it to the left hand side, then I'll help you with the procedure for the same. And this is for the latest build, which is 23570. Right click on this taskbar and select taskbar settings. Now, this page will open in the personalization section. The last option is taskbar behaviors. Click on it. Once you click on the taskbar behaviors option, this taskbar alignment window is available. This taskbar alignment option is available. So it is at center by default, and that would be the case for a long time to come. But if you want it in the left corner, then you all you need to do is click on left. And this was the original alignment for Windows 7 and other versions of Windows. So a lot of people are comfortable with this. If you wish to push the start button to the left, then this is the procedure for the same. And if you want to revert these changes, simply change the taskbar alignment to center once again and it will be fixed. Was this easy? Please let us know in the comment section. Feel free to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.